Hello, my name is Riley Wells.
And my name is Lindsay Taylor.
And we are Adair County Senior 4-Hers.
Today, we're going to be showing you how to do the Mars Base Camp 4-H STEM Challenge activity. In this activity, you'll simulate the experience of arriving at Mars to conduct a scientific exploration.
Follow the instructions in the youth guide to determine where you land on Mars and whether you enter into orbit instead.
Once you and your teammates know what part of Mars you'll be exploring, use the Mars Scientific Notebook on the next page to make observations. And you can actually write on this to talk about where you landed on Mars.
Lay the Mars map out on the floor or on a table and then designate a launch spot 3 to 5 feet away from the map. Mark the spot so you remember. So I'm right now in the launch spot, and after I determine where I'm going to be launching, I'm going to throw the little man and he's going to go on Mars.
The way that the map is laid out, this is A, B, C, and D, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's initiate our countdown. 1, 2, 3.
Then you launch. After the countdown, launch your parachute toy, which is your landing device, towards Mars.
If you miss the target, or land where someone else has already landed, go back to the back of the line and try again.
If you land on an empty side on the target, move on to the orbit or entry descent and landing phase. If you went into orbit, which is A1, A4, D1, or D4, take the landing site card that corresponds to your site and leave your marker in the correct position on the landing zone map.
If you land in the Mars surface landing zone, roll the dice to see if you had a safe landing. And just so we're all on the same page, if you landed on any of the corners, it means that you landed safely and into orbit, and you should read your card about landing into orbit. If you landed anywhere else on the map, that's when you have to roll the dice.
1, 2, 3. So I landed in B3. And now Lindsay is going to roll the dice to see if I landed safely or not.
Just a reminder, if you roll the dice on 1, 2, or 3, you landed safely. But if you land the dice on 4, 5, or 6, you unfortunately did not land safely and you must throw your parachute again. 3! Riley landed safely.
And now, since I landed on B3, I'm going to pick up the B3 card, and this card has information about where you landed on Mars and the information about the area that you landed in. And the area that I landed in is Christ Planetia. Now, after my turn, and I read the card, it's Lindsay's turn to throw the parachute and my turn to roll the dice. But before she does that, I'm going to put my marker in the spot that I landed. So Lindsay, it's your turn to shoot.
1, 2, 3. B4.
So now I'm going to roll the dice.
Please get a 1, 2, or 3. 3! So now I'm going to find the B4 card to learn about where I landed at. And don't forget, this whole time, you can be making observations in your notebook.
I hope you guys enjoyed the activity, and we'll see you soon.